Horgosh, which borders Kazakhstan, is China's closest port to Central Asia and Europe by land transport. It now serves as a major railway port in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. Horgosh, which means a place where caravans pass in Mongolian, was once a busy passage used by traders traveling along the ancient Silk Road. While Horgosh lost its shine as caravans faded into history, the Belt and Road Initiative, proposed by China in 2013, has revitalized the old port. In 2016, the Horgosh port welcomed its first China-Europe freight train. Ever since then, cargo trains from across the country have been heading for their destinations in Asia and Europe via Horgosh. There are currently 64 train routes passing through Horgosh port, reaching 18 countries and regions. The import and export goods carried by the freight trains mainly include clothes, auto parts, timber, furniture, chemical products, machinery and more in hundreds of categories. As one of the 4 comprehensive bonded areas in Xinjiang, Horgosh saw its total foreign trade value surge by 26% to $4.71 billion, and import and export cargo volume increased by 39% to 9.56 million tons year-on-year in 2021.